Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen. I am so happy to have you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. This is an item that I purchased from Ulta.com, and this is the NYX Professional Makeup Sugar Trip. And I think this is a 24 days of beauty advent calendar. And this is what the inside looks like. So cute. Very, very cute. And this was, trying to look up at the price for you. And making sure it's still available. Yes, on Ulta.com, this was $38.50, and this one still is available on their website as of today, and it is Tuesday, December 11th, so it is still available. So let's do this and see if we can open these. And these are all in a row here, so that'll make it a little bit easier. Just trying to see where. So door number one. Oh, these are going to be hard to get out. Oh, with my nails. I don't know if I can. Oh, let's see if I can get them out that way. Oh, these are not going to be easy to get out. Okay. Whew. And this, it says, and these are tiny. This says Sparkle Town. Oh, and that's a highlighter. That's pretty. And this is in Illuminaire. Oh, that's really cute. That's a good size. So that's number one. Number two is this way. And this is right here. And this is a soft matte metallic lip cream. I don't know why this camera is not focusing tonight. And I'm not sure if that's the name. Nantes. Doesn't have a color. So that's that. So I'm just going to put them back in their slots for right now. This way I don't have makeup all over the place. Okay, let's get this one out. And this color is Starstruck. It's easier if I look under my big light. And this is a NYX liquid. Does that say suede? Oh, lipstick. Yeah, this is a NYX liquid suede cream lipstick. That's pretty, right there. That's a great size to throw in your bag if you're going out. Number four. Another one of these. Made it easier. And this is in Cinnamon Spice, and this is another Sparkle Town. Oh, that's a pretty color. Definitely pretty. Number five. There's a lot of lipsticks from what I remember. Okay, so this is number five. This is an Intense Butter Gloss. And this is Sweet Nothing is the color. I mean, they're a great size regardless to throw in your handbag, just to keep in your makeup bag and don't take up tons of room. And then here we have a matte lipstick. And this is Fluff Piece. Let's see if we can open that. So you get a decent amount. And that is a bright pink for sure. But I like these because you can see the color. So that's good. So you can't confuse it if you have all black products. So number seven is in the color Vienna. And, oh my God, I cannot see. Soft matte lip cream. Yeah, so that's pretty. And the eighth one is another one of these. And this is in Candy Cloud. So this is another Paradise Fluff. So that's not what I expected. So that's a nice color. So that's number 8. And we're going to come back over here for number 9. And here we have, I'll make these easy. It says this is everything. I don't have an idea what this is. I'm trying to look under a brighter light. This is a lip oil. Is that what that is? Let me just open that real fast. Yeah, that seems like it's a lip oil, and it's got like a little pink to it. This is everything, and that's a lip oil. Okay, it's a little different. That's good. Number 10. And this is in the color Poppin'. And this is, I think this is a, what is this? Is that it's a lip color. And this is New York Slip Tease. Once again, you know, they're all about the same size. This is probably another lip. And the color on this one is Glazy Days. And this is a butter gloss. Lots of very wearable shades and very neutral shades so that I guess anybody can wear them. Oh, no, that's a pink. And this one is in Lollipop Hop. And this is Land of Lollies. And that is a pink for sure. And these are great. You know, they're magnetic, you know, the cardboard style. But these are great to throw in your makeup bag. Even if you're going away for a weekend. Won't take up a lot of space. Oh, this one came out really easy. Now this is tiny. This is Sweet Chateau. And this is Cookie Cutter. And this is actually like a book. But that's really cute. Another highlighter. How adorable. This would be great, really great for anybody. Great for somebody my age. I'm in my 50s. This would be great for a teen, maybe just starting out with makeup. And this is another Sweet Chateau, and this is in Candy Stash. These are all magnetized, and when that's a glitter, a nice pink glitter. Nice little cute packaging with the candies. I mean, it really is adorable. There's absolutely, it's like I guess that's really cute. So number 15 is another lip oil, and this is Candy Pop. Oh gosh, they really. So these are still like probably just like slightly tinted. I don't know if these have any tint to them. Do they have a tint? I would say if anything, no. So there is, I mean, you can see on my hand a little bit of the gloss. I would say they're colorless. So it's another lip oil. Here, I just want to get that off so I'm not getting it all over the place. So we're into number 16 now. So we have another matte lipstick. And this color is Sorbet. I just pulled the wrong way. And that's that color. So that is a nice, nice, like a bluish color. That is very interesting. Yeah, that's definitely blue. Once again, I love this style packaging because you can see what the color is. And then day 17 is over here. We have another lip product. And I knew this was going to be a lot of lip products. And this is NYX Lingerie. And this is in the color Slip. With a cute lipstick. Day 18. Thank God these are not that difficult to get out. And this is a liquid suede lipstick. And this is Peanut Brittle. That's a very nice color. I don't think there was one color. I mean, maybe that blue. I don't know if I would wear that blue or that. But I would wear all these other colors. And then here we have another Whipped Wonderland. And the color is Sweet Tooth. And here's that color. That's really cute. Love the packaging. Love the packaging. And then we have number 20. We have another one of these little books. Just trying to get them out. And this one is in Whipped Mocha. So here's the little book. We'll open it up. And there's that color. Really cute. Could be a good bronzer, depending on your coloring. And in 21, we have Soft Matte Lip Cream. And this is in Kiev. So another one. 22 is a... Oh, that's a dark color. I cannot read that. This is a NYX, let me see, lingerie. And this is in Deep Rooted. And that is a dark color. I'll show you this one. That is a nice dark brown. So that's cute. So I don't want this all over my clothes. Okay, so number 23 is another little book. And this is the, let me see. And this is Licorice Lane. And the color is Twisted. Let's get this open. That's a nice, like a gray. Gray, is that totally gray? Or is there a little blue in that? There's a little blue in that, but not much. That's a lot. That's a gray. And then day 24 is another one of the same, like Licorice Lane. Get it out. So here's another one. I hope my nail just didn't hit that. Licorice Lane. And this is in Deep Trouble. Ooh, that is dark. That's a dark, dark color. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not. And that is like a very deep plum, like a plum brown color. So that is very dark. Okay, so that was the 24 days of the NYX Sugar Trip Advent Calendar. And it is still available on Ulta.com for $38.50. And that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed this and have a great day. Bye.